Can you hit the yellow ones for Daddy? The yellow ones. Hit it hard.
Is it the hammer that goes with that one, or is there a different?
What, honey? Oh, you want to do the little ones? Okay.
I don't think it's moving.
Jamesy, can you look at the camera? Say hi. Can you smile?
Jesus.
Can you look here and smile for Daddy? Can you say hi to Oma and Opa? Say love you. Say bye-bye.